Hi there, Frank here for premium members for the trading day of April the 2nd, 2026, a Thursday. First of all, as you can see in the setup column here, there's lots of short setups, but to be careful here because there will be some which we're going to ignore and for good reason. So let's start with the indexes as usual. And as you can see, this is not the bear flag that we're interested in shorting. This is just too much of a momentum to the upside. Even the weekly is giving us a huge, giant candle here. That's not something you want to short into. Bottom line, we don't want to short this. If you want to do anything with this, then probably look for long trades on the time frame that you trade. Okay, let's move on to currencies on which the situation is also bullish. We're starting to see developing bullish setups here. Remember yesterday's analysis, the long-term chart. So this is a support area. It would be not surprising if we attack the 120 level, which is probably what might be happening. We'll see. What we know for sure now is that there is a bull flag here on the 4-hour chart. If it triggers, I'm interested in going long. I know that it's against the daily time frame, definitely against it. Counter trend on the daily. So we can expect some headwind here, perhaps even a pattern failure of the bullish move. On some other currencies like 6A, 6B, same kind of thing, but all of them against the daily. Again, if you don't like this, just skip it. Don't worry about it. Hi, also if you like this content, please hit the like button. Also subscribe to our channel. And if you know someone who might benefit from this information, then please share this video. This is how you can help us to bring this content to as many traders as possible. Thank you for your help. We'll see you soon. And until then, mindful trading. Let's move on to commodities. CL first. I would leave it alone. Probably this 4-hour chart will trigger to the upside. But the daily is such a disaster zone, so probably it's going to go up. This is not something we are interested in trading usually. The situation after a hyperbolic exhaustion candle, that is. Now, however, on gold, we have a beautiful slide in progress right now. Again, on the daily, this is still against the potentially bearish structure, but remember, with this bottom tail, this is probably a bearish structure that's going to fail. So I'm bullish on gold, and the same goes for SI, and for that matter, PA and PL as well. Just one more thing about currencies. MBT, Bitcoin, I think there is a little sign here that this could turn into a move to the upside. This is just a vague setup right now, definitely not a trigger. There's no trigger here anywhere. But I'm watching this market for potential long moves. And I expect this to eventually go back to 100 or 125. We'll see. And agriculturals, corn, we were looking at long setups, but these are also ugly and difficult situations. So as you can see, April the 2nd, we started looking at the markets, but that doesn't mean that suddenly there's all kinds of beautiful structures that we like trading. Not too many of them. This could be one that we could use. We mentioned this yesterday, nothing happened today. If this triggers, this could be probably one that might work for us, okay? It started to move on the 4-hour chart. And let's also look at wheat, which also collapsed a little bit today. You see this big daily candle, red candle. If it wakes up, it might work. Difficult conditions on several markets. Probably there's many, many reasons internationally and also domestically in the States. But that's another conversation. Let's continue monitoring the markets. And if something happens, we'll be on top of it. Don't worry. Don't force trades. That's for sure. Back in the morning. And until then, mindful trading.